Hi, this is Max Fortune, the Director of Sales and Marketing for Real Easy Legal Forms. Now, on behalf of the staff here at Real Easy Legal Forms, I would like to thank you for attending this webinar. Now, over the next few minutes or so, we're going to go over the tremendous business opportunity that Real Easy Legal Forms offers. At Real Easy Legal Forms, we provide a cost-effective service that helps the average American save money on their uncontested legal matters. We provide an affordable system to the 50 million Americans each year who are looking to save money on legal services that do not require a lawyer. And we have prepared thousands of legal documents and have an extensive network of licensed paralegals nationwide that prepare documents quickly and accurately. We provide simple workbooks written in layman's terms that are easy to understand. The average time it takes to fill out one of our workbooks is only 15 to 20 minutes, and our documents get turned around in as little as 3 to 5 business days. The great part is most of our prices are about 70% less than what a lawyer would charge for the exact same document. So we work hard to make the process very simple and very easy. We are very focused on customer service. We work very hard to communicate knowledgeably and clearly and effectively with all of our licensees. We take pride and quality in everything that we do, especially with our legal forms. We know our most important goal is to provide an affordable legal service to our licensees. And our team, every member of our team is dedicated to supporting each of our licensees and their clients in every way possible. Not every legal situation requires the services of an attorney. Now, sometimes the situation can be resolved simply by creating and filing the proper legal forms. Sometimes the facts or details of a case are so typical or common that handling the matter on your own is simple, timely, and cost-effective. And in every state in the United States, individuals are permitted to represent themselves and to handle their own legal issues without the assistance of a lawyer. This applies to matters both inside the courtroom and with local, county, state, and federal government agencies. Now, did you know that 7 out of 10 Americans do not have a will? Most Americans are unaware that in the absence of a will, the state decides who will get your assets. And when there are no assets, a will establishes guardianship for minors. Otherwise, the state decides who will raise your children. The absence of a will creates undue stress for families at a time when they're already grieving. 3/4 of those who represented themselves in court said they would do it again before they hired an attorney. And we have several studies to show that those who represent themselves are far more likely to be satisfied with the legal process than those who are represented by attorneys. And as much as 49% of all divorces in some areas are being filed without an attorney at all. Real Easy Legal Forms offers simple solutions to help people with countless other uncontested legal situations just like these. Now, Real Easy Legal Forms is not a business we feel is for everyone, but there are a few niche groups that our services work perfectly with, like financial advisors. Financial advisors assume many responsibilities related to the overall investment strategies and financial well-being of the clients in a variety of ways. Many times financial advisors are the first person clients turn to when they have questions about legal services. And there's also insurance agents. Insurance agents help clients choose insurance policies that suit their needs. Their expertise allows them to advise their clients about appropriate amounts of insurance. And clients appreciate the ability to have their legal services provided by someone they already trust to protect their family. Now, tax preparers in offices that prepare taxes, many people know, for many people, their tax preparer is the first person they consider when it comes to financial advice. Tax preparers are often asked for guidance when it comes to legal matters. It happens all the time, and tax preparers benefit tremendously by offering legal services that set them apart from their competition. And what about small legal firms? Small, growing law firms can save thousands of dollars on hiring and training paralegals. We have flat fees that we offer to prepare legal forms, which allow a small legal firm to focus on growing their firm. And there's startup businesses. Real Easy Legal Forms is a great business opportunity for startup business people who want to create a 6-figure income. No more waiting 3 years to realize a profit. You can start earning profits today. We have a simple turnkey system. You can earn a substantial income even if you're just starting out in the world of business. Real Easy Legal Forms offers a proven sales system that can provide substantial income to you and your family year after year. There's a large marketplace for affordable legal services in your area, and if you don't provide these services in your area, someone else will. And we offer affordable, uncontested legal form preparation services that many Americans are seeking every day. We can help you offer the following services to your client base. Divorces for $249, incorporations for $199, living trust for $399, name changes for $199, power of attorney documents for $99, quick claim deeds for $69, wills for $99, trademarks for $129, and copyrights for $129 as well as 50 other affordable uncontested legal forms that would increase your bottom line. The best part is you don't need to have any prior legal experience to provide these services. You don't need to be a paralegal. You don't need to know how to type up legal documents. You don't need to have any legal background at all. Now, you do need to be able to provide good customer service, have a desire to help people save money, the desire to make a six-figure income, and be willing to invest in your financial success. Real Easy Legal Forms provides an opportunity to create steady year-round income, which helps with seasonal businesses like tax offices retain key employees. Real Easy Legal Forms also can help you put an end to high staff turnover. In most cases, you only need one employee to manage an entire office. Now, here's how our service works. You will use our extensive and effective marketing tools to create foot traffic, as well as lots of phone calls. Our system attracts pre-qualified leads only, so your closing ratios will be very high. And when you use our telephone scripts, you'll get 8 out of 10 calls to book appointments with you. Your clients fill out simple workbooks that are written in layman's terms, which is usually only 1 to 2 pages, and usually only takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete. You review the workbook to make sure it's legible, and then you submit the workbook to us on our secure online portal. We receive the documents, then have one of our licensed paralegals type up your documents in 3 to 5 business days. When it comes back to you, you look it over and schedule your client to come in, review it, and sign it. And after that, the client takes the document to the appropriate court to file it, and it's just that simple a process. Most of our prices are about 70% less than what a lawyer charges for the exact same document. And we work hard to make the process very simple and very easy. The tax offices, CPAs, and insurance agents that provide Real Easy Legal Forms to their clients retain as much as 30% more of their clients each year than businesses that do not offer those services. You'll get lots of marketing tools and training when you join Real Easy Legal Forms. So let's go over some of the things that you get when you join. You'll get signage for your office, a replicated website to market your services, a monthly newsletter. You'll get office setup tools, email blast tools, search engine optimization campaign tools, lots of ongoing training and coaching, social media campaign materials that are already done for you, a complete PDF library of all the workbooks, so you don't have to type any of them up yourself, they're already ready. You'll also get 24/7 access to our online training program. You'll get autoresponder software for marketing and sending out drip campaigns to your existing clients. You'll get our extensive marketing campaigns with over 50 different tools and 50 different ways that you can market and grow the business in your industry or in your area. You'll also get referral campaigns that is designed to grow your business 10 times faster. You'll receive an operations manual that entails everything you need to know, effective phone scripts that get appointments on 8 out of 10 calls, again, drip campaigns that bring your existing clients in for new services, and as well as a super effective mini billboard campaign that'll get the phones ringing immediately. With Real Easy Legal Forms, you'll have access, as we mentioned, to our online training courses 24/7. There's so many different courses that are offered. Each one of them are designed to help you get started as fast as possible and to help you to grow your business and to understand all of the different things that you're getting into. Now, InstaMail Pro is our all-in-one email marketing system. It's our autoresponder, survey, and CRM software. Now, With Instamail Pro, it's a true all-in-one communication platform that was actually created by Real Easy Legal Forms and includes everything you need to create, send, and track professional HTML emails, to send autoresponders, surveys, events, contacts, and more. It is fully featured email marketing software, which is developed again by marketing experts and includes the following useful features. Here's some of the features. They're complete browser-based. It's survey and feedback forms. There are over 100 built-in templates built into it. You get a step-by-step campaign wizard, custom fields for personalization, in-email dynamic content blocks, unlimited autoresponders. You can do split test email campaigns, powerful automated triggers, also Google Analytics integrations, along with automated bounced email processing, full WYSIWYG campaign editing, which means what you see is what you get. You can see everything right on the screen. You can easily import or export any of your contacts. You can pause and resume sending. You can do automatic event logging. There's a built-in CRM functionality to it, a Google Calendar integration, RSS email campaign archives, full campaign statistics, and so much more here at Instamail Pro that you get access to. Now, when you sign with Real Easy Legal Forms, you receive the following. You get a welcome kit within 3 to 5 business days. You're going to get access to our 24/7 online training academy, the operations manual, a complete kit for how to set your office up and get ready and prepare for clients, the order forms for signage, a social media worksheet that will help you set up your social media campaigns, a complete information packet for booking travel to our courses, advanced coaching sign-up packets, a copy of the book Get Rich in Your Niche, which has got tons of marketing tools and tons of marketing techniques to help you grow your existing business along with growing this business. You'll also get a complete PDF library of all of the workbooks that you need to sit down with clients. You'll get our Fast Start to Success packet, which tells you everything to do step by step from the moment you get the kit, what you do first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. It just really is very extensive. The average gross ticket item for Real Easy Legal Forms is $150. And of course, this is going to vary depending on your clientele and your area. Now, some businesses sell living trusts more than any other service, and that average is $3.99 per document. For this illustration, we're going to just use an average $150 transaction. Closing one sale a day, assuming you work a half-day Saturday like many of our offices, that's 6 sales per week and a gross of $900 at the end of the week. And $900 a week times 4 weeks equals $3,600 per month, which is not bad for just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Now, the average licensee is increasing their business by month 4 to 2 docs per day, thus doubling their income to $7,200 per month, sitting down with clients for an average of an hour a day. Let me ask you, would an extra $7,000 change your lifestyle? How about the car you drive, the house you live in, or the vacations you could take on with you and your family? Now, the income continues to increase. Once you're sitting down with 4 clients a day, you'll average $14,000 per month for roughly about 2 hours a day. Now, it's also very, very realistic to be earning as much as $20,000 within your first 9 months and repeating that kind of income month after month. And that's just sitting down with 6 clients a day for an average of 15 to 20 minutes per appointment. The first year earnings with Real Easy Legal Forms should be well over $140,000. And that's in addition to the income you're already earning. Now here's the best part. None of these income projections take into account the residual income you'll get every month for referring your clients to the legal hotline. That income can become so substantial that you could live off of that bonus money alone. Now there's no opportunity on the market like this one. Don't continue to send your clients who need these services to lawyers who won't give you any money in return. Now, offering Real Easy Legal Forms to your clients will give you additional lines of business to offer your clients. And we all know the more services we offer to our clients, the less likely they will leave your book of business, even if they move across town. You will truly be able to offer services that your competitors are not. Now that you've seen how lucrative this opportunity is, let's go over some frequently asked questions. Like, how do I get paid? Now, the way you get paid is you receive monies from your clients directly. You have a document preparation fee that you'll pay to Real Easy Legal Forms to have your documents typed up by a licensed paralegal. You'll also receive a residual income for helping your clients sign up to have all of their legal questions answered. How long does it take to get started? Now, this is entirely up to you. You can start as soon as you receive your turnkey business package from us and go through a brief online training. Now, as you complete your training, you will have all the information and documentation that you will need to get started at your own pace. Do I need to have an office? Yes, to be effective with Real Easy Legal Forms, you do need to have an office with regular business hours that don't change from week to week. How many people do you have to hire? Again, typically an office can be very lucrative with only one person running the office. This of course depends on your volume, and the busier the office is, the more help you may need to handle the phones and appointments. And some offices will have more walk-in traffic than others, so you'll be able to add more employees as your operation grows. And of course this is scalable, so it depends completely on your business. Let's talk about your overhead. Typically we see business owners who already have an office set up and are either running it themselves or have an office manager. In either case, Real Easy Legal Forms does not require any additional expenses. You don't need to buy any extra equipment, providing you already have an office computer, phone, scanner, or a fax machine. Now, are there fees to have documents typed up? Yes, there's a nominal fee that you pay to have a licensed paralegal prepare your legal documents. This fee is usually nominal and in most cases does not exceed 30% of the cost of the document. So again, you keep 70% of the document and your clients pay you up front. Who can you call if you have questions? You can call our sales office if you have sales questions. If you already have a license and purchase the coaching program, you'll also be able to have direct access to the coaches Monday through Thursday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Another question is, who files the documents in the court? Now, documents that need to be filed with the courts, which not all of them do, they'll be typically filed by the client in the appropriate court in the jurisdiction in which they live or work. Are there any other fees? Again, once you pay your licensee fee, the only other charges that you will incur is the fee for Real Easy Legal Forms to prepare your legal forms, which is performed by a licensed paralegal. Do my clients need to have a lawyer involved? Now, Real Easy Legal Forms specializes in preparing uncontested legal forms only. So typically, there's not a lawyer or legal advice needed to perform the services. However, your clients will have the ability to sign up for our service that will allow them to ask a lawyer any legal questions that they may have. And what this does is it frees you up from having to answer any legal questions and keeps you from being put in a situation where you're asking or answering legal questions. How well does Real Easy Legal Forms work with your tax office? Now, tax office, CPAs, and insurance agents, which I mentioned at the top of this webinar, have a seamless integration with Real Easy Legal Forms. A lot of times as you're performing usual assessments of what a client tax needs are or whatever the insurance needs are, many situations arise that make it a very natural conversation to easily market Real Easy Legal Forms. Also, when your tax clients are receiving a refund check, they're most inclined to take care of other services that they've been putting off. There is no need to change the name of your business, your existing business. You're simply adding affordable legal services to the products or service that you're already offering. Are there any special licenses that are needed? The only license that you will need is the one offered by Real Easy Legal Forms. There's no additional business licensing requirements that you need. Again, there's no additional business licensing or course requirements that you need. Do I need a notary public? No, but it makes it more convenient for your clients if you or someone in your office is a notary. And again, Real Easy Legal Forms will supply you with the information that you or someone in your office will need to become a notary public very inexpensively. Does the price list include court fees? So no, when you get the price list from us, your clients will pay a separate fee directly to the courts depending on the service that they utilize. Again, what if my client has legal questions? Again, most of our overviews that we provide will answer many of the questions your clients may have. If they have any questions that require a lawyer to answer, we could supply you with a referral in many cases. And however, Again, I do want to say your clients will have the ability to sign up for a service that will allow them to ask a lawyer any legal questions that they may have. The Real Easy Legal Forms turnkey business opportunity is being offered for only $24.95. And just for those who are on this webinar, you can save an extra $500 instantly if you sign up right now. That's right, you have the opportunity to earn well over $140,000 in your first year of offering affordable legal forms to your clients for less than $2,000. All you have to do is let your clients know you can help them with their legal documents. This business is so easy to do. Your clients fill out the paperwork, lawyers answer all of their legal questions, and our paralegals type up the paperwork while you make the bulk of the money. Remember, you keep 70% of the money your clients pay you up front. You get most of the money and do the least amount of the work. Now, how is that for an opportunity? You'll also get lots of marketing tools and the training you need when you join Real Easy Legal Forms. You'll receive 24/7 access to our comprehensive online university, an operations manual that provides everything you need to know, social media campaign materials, ongoing training and coaching, a web page, a complete PDF library of all the workbooks, along with an extensive marketing campaign with over 50 different tools. You'll also receive effective phone scripts that get appointments on 8 out of 10 calls, a nationwide network of paralegals that will prepare all of your documents for you, a super effective mini billboard campaign that will have your phones ringing instantly, a monthly newsletter, as well as tools that will help you set up your office very easy. In addition to that, you'll also receive phone support, signage for your office, a 3 to 5 day turnaround on all of your documents, effective search engine optimization campaign tools, email blast tools, and a referral campaign that will help you multiply your business 10 times over. And if that wasn't enough, you'll also receive drip campaigns to bring your existing clients in for new services, notary public sign-up information, numerous cross-selling tools, and a 6-figure turnkey business opportunity, and much, much more. So what are you waiting for? Click on the Sign Up Now button or reach back out to the sales rep who shared this opportunity with you and tell them you're ready to join right now. There are also many payment options available if you need it. Just don't hesitate. Act now to save $500 instantly. Now, we look forward to helping you create a 6-figure income stream of income year after year. Thank you for tuning in to this webinar. And again, we look forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you create a massive 6-figure income year after year.